Hey guys, I'm Alex Lowe's, I'm here with my brother Sam, and we want to introduce to you the 2020 jet helmet from Shark, the Citycruiser. Clearly, with the wide vision visor, it's more suited to me and my lovely face.
Yeah, maybe if we can get an extra dark visor.
This is the highest protection jet helmet from Shark. So if you just put it on, bro, and let's have a further look at some of the key aspects of this helmet. As you can see, there's a lot more jaw coverage on either side of the helmet, offering a lot more protection, also a real nice fit.
I feel like I've got a nice wide view.
In terms of the internal of the helmet, it's Microtech fabric, which is anti-odor and antibacterial, so perfect, comfy fit all the way from the inside. The ventilation on top of the helmet, a real big vent along the top, and if you just turn around, Sam, there's a nice vent on the back of the helmet to allow the hot air to pass through the back of the helmet, so really well ventilated. Also, the anti-fog system on the visor, these two vents at the front, they allow the air to go in, giving you a really clear vision. For me, I really like the design, very minimalistic, and everything is concealed by these two side pods. All the mechanisms are concealed behind those, so it looks really, really good. This helmet's also available in other dual and plain colours, so lots of different options. Obviously, if you're on your way back from work, you're riding home from work, and the sun's coming low, we have the sun visor. Just means you're not going to get caught out by the low sun. So this helmet is perfect for using around the city, but also if you want to take a trip out on some longer rides, it's perfect for that as well. So that is the Citycruiser. Now let's take a further look at some of the technical specifications.